In this video, I'll show you how to create a viral real estate house tour using just one AI tool, all from a single architectural rendering. We'll cover everything: captions, head tracking, speed ramps, transitions, and the complete workflow from start to finish.
Welcome to the Tennis Villa. Let's head upstairs and take a look at the primary suite.
Let's get started. First, we'll start with this cool construction to architecture transformation video. Start with a blank project in Lovart AI. Then drag and drop your architectural rendering onto the canvas. Next, switch the model to video. Click Image, select from Canvas, and choose your architectural rendering. Then paste in your prompt. In the prompt, I describe the opening scene, so the video starts with an empty construction site instead of the finished building. In the settings, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 since we're creating this for social media, and set the video duration to 10 seconds. There are plenty of video models to choose from, including most of the leading AI video models available today. For this tutorial, I'm using SeedAns 2.0 because it delivers excellent results. Pretty simple, right? With just one prompt, we've created the first shot, a construction scene complete with 3D text and callout effect. Next, we'll create the second scene, the transition from the exterior architecture to the interior. To do that, we'll first use AI to generate an interior rendering that matches this modern villa. Lovart offers a wide range of image generation models to choose from. My go-to options are Nano Banana and ChatGPT. Both produce consistently great results. Now we have an interior rendering that matches the villa's architectural style and gives us a seamless view inside the home. Now that we have both images, we can generate the next video. We'll use the exterior architectural rendering as the start frame and the interior rendering as the end frame to create a smooth transition into the villa. Switch back to video mode, select both images, and paste in the prompt. I've included all the prompts in the link below, so feel free to copy and use them in your own projects. We'll keep the same aspect ratio and video length as before. Once everything is set, click Generate. Now we've got our second video, featuring a cool furniture pop-in effect and a smooth camera transition from the exterior into the interior. As the camera moves into the living room, I want to adjust the furniture layout. The Move Object tool makes this incredibly easy. Just select the area you want to edit, and the AI automatically identifies the table. Then, simply drag the bounding box to its new position, and the AI generates an updated rendering. Pretty cool, right? As you can see, the new rendering places the coffee table lower in the frame, matching the camera angle we selected. The perspective stays consistent, making the result look natural and realistic. Another feature I really like is multi-angle, which is perfect for interior and architectural renderings. Simply choose the viewpoint you want. For example, I want a low-angle view from the left side of the sofa. Just rotate the 3D model cube to the desired camera angle, and the AI will generate a new rendering from that perspective. Now, switch back to video mode and use the updated interior rendering as the input. Paste in the prompt, and the AI will generate a scene where a real estate agent jumps into the room and begins introducing the space to make the video even more engaging. It also adds eye-catching 3D neon text and visual effects that blend seamlessly with the footage.
Welcome to the tennis villa.
Next, copy my prompt again and generate the fourth video in this scene. The real estate agent leads viewers upstairs to the second floor, creating a smooth transition to the next part of the house tour.
Let's head upstairs and take a look at the primary suite.
Finally, we can use Lovart's brand kit to create a complete brand identity for the tennis villa. Simply describe the villa's architectural style, design concept, and key features, and the AI will generate a custom logo that matches the property's aesthetic. It's a quick and easy way to give your project a professional, cohesive brand. Next, go back to the home page and open Brand Kit from the left-hand menu. Use the generated logo and color palette to create a complete brand kit for your architectural project. In just a few clicks, you'll have a consistent visual identity that you can use across your marketing materials, presentations, and social media content. The AI automatically analyzes the logo and extracts its color palette, giving you the matching color codes for your brand. If you'd like to expand the branding, you can easily add more colors to create a richer and more versatile brand identity. You can either choose a custom font or leave it as the default. Next, give your brand kit a name, then click Create. Your brand kit will be saved and ready to use for future projects, making it easy to keep your branding consistent across all your designs. With the brand kit in place, we can ask the AI to generate a website for the villa. It automatically analyzes the brand identity, including the logo, colors, and design style. Then I'll upload the AI-generated images and videos we created earlier. Based on those assets, the AI generates a website that perfectly matches the villa's branding, giving you a polished and consistent online presence. After about a minute of processing, the AI generates a complete homepage design for the website. From there, you can continue refining it or ask the AI to add more pages, such as an about page, gallery, floor plans, amenities, contact, or any other sections you need. Here's the completed website for the tennis villa. Once your brand kit is ready, you can take advantage of Lovart's built-in skills, which include templates for social media, e-commerce, marketing, and much more. For this project, I'd like to create a promotional brochure. Since the AI already understands the villa's branding logo, color palette, and design style, it can automatically generate a brochure that matches the rest of the brand, keeping everything consistent and professional. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, there's a good chance you'll enjoy more content like this in the future. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one.